Good morning, everybody. How we doing? So, to give a quick breakdown, I am looking for a correction. The perfect trade would be going all the way to the previous weekly close, right, on the VWAP, which is all the way up here. Right, I caught these buy stops throughout London because I was holding a buy since yesterday. I held through all of this, and then I had my thing at break even, and then it stopped me out. So I re-entered, and basically my term is long term, considering just basic price action of, if this is my swing high, swing low, even if you use a fib, all right, you need a higher low to form. So, minimum we're looking around here. Mid of that would be in that golden zone would be somewhere around here, right? From this swing high and this swing low, it has to create a higher low, right? So I'm not looking for any sells today. It wouldn't even make sense to me. It would have to come up to this level, and then as we're seeing it, you see where that fib creates that little trend line there. As we're seeing it, right? It's bouncing off it's breaking that daily closes here. I wouldn't trade unless it's completely below all three of these levels. So you can see it right now bouncing off these zones. So I'll be looking for only buys today. Things are green at the moment. Everything is green while we're getting down candles. So I'm just looking for the rejections, and or if it's going to continue down, it would need to break through all of these zones in order to create a downtrend for me, which I don't think is going to happen, because this is too much of an imbalance in the market for it not to create a basic structure when they have a swing high, swing low, and there is no high-low correction. Whether you're institutional traders, SMC, whatever, it's market structure all around. It needs to create a higher low. So when I see that, just like last week when I sent that play last Monday, and it played out exactly how it was, just based on market structure. It needed to create a higher low. So we're seeing the same thing, and then once we hit past around this target area, whether it continues and or it rejects down, you're gonna have good setups around this area. Yes, Friday was crazy. All right, give me a second, guys. I'll let you guys sit on this real quick, and then we'll get my coffee and set myself up for the morning. I actually woke up a little late, so. How's everyone doing though? Drop a 1 in the chat if you're feeling blessed this morning. Whew, man. All right, talk to me, guys. What's going on? Yep. If this cell plots, I'm not taking it. Those rejections are promising, very much so. But again, it's creating minor structure, minor high and low. I need to create major high and low for the higher time frame, and that's what I'm looking for. So. Have you guys been enjoying the signals chats? This is interesting. And so you like the 7? Is it strictly for no, it's meant for everybody. It's meant for all of the paid members. The 7 looks good. I can see you get an earlier signal up here, but it's definitely an early scalping signal. 7 and the 10 looks good. I'd rather the 10 because I like smoother price action when filtering. It's a good setup. Yeah. It's a good setup, scalping wise. It hugs price tightly. Right here is your entry. You really want to snipe? You snipe down here. I can't see it going any further down. Excuse me. Yeah, Tim, what's confusing about the signals chat, man? The signals chat's smacking. It's actually what allows me to kind of have a little bit of freedom and time to handle a few things. Especially the Forex one's doing better than I expected. Entry and stop loss because it's moved to break even. It does that automatically after take profit 1. You can buy now. Because you're buying at a level of support, and like I said, it's buying up because it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all previous levels of it pushing up. So, we skipped out on the sell to get into the correction. So, it is a great level if you wanted to snipe, low risk. Catch it here, all the way up. I just can't see it continuing down. Just on the structure level, I don't see it going further. Cause that's not a high low, bro. that shit needs to come and correct a lot. You know what I'm saying? Like, even up here, this target is filling in probably like 25% of this long drop, right? To come and target this level here. This low. This is the setup you're looking for. That's the setup I'm looking for. This is an easy setup. And everyone is looking for that setup. And all this sell is wicking out people that are in those buy positions from early on the first liquid New York session, because yesterday it wasn't very liquid. It was, if you guys notice, like I taught you about London, if it's trending, blah, blah, blah. When you see a long trend like this, like a long drop or a long push, right? The following day, no matter what, is always going to be choppy. And then it'll have a quick break, and then, you know, today will be the retest, and you just got to play it accordingly. Because look, if you got in, you're getting rejection towards the bottom. And where did it reject? 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time. Here. Do you guys see what I see, or am I bugging? Roseanne, if you don't have it, try sending your command again. So this is what I'm waiting for. They filled in that gap, played around, but it has yet to break this structure. This is just a wick out from the from getting out of traders from the obvious. And we could have taken this sell scout. You know what I mean? The algo got us into the sell, hit TP3, we would have been done. I'm looking at the bigger picture because I don't, you know, even though I see that 100 point, some point during this session, this shit's going to hit here and it's going to hit here. And then probably range Asian session and then hit here and then hit here. You know what I mean? Like, it's going to come back up. So it's one of those, like, I don't care how bad the economy is. I've never seen market structure just continue without a proper correction. You know, even if it doesn't break this level, which is the equilibrium of that golden zone, that little golden pocket here. If it doesn't break this is just the high low, and it will continue back down. You know what I mean? But it has to create structure, and it has not created structure on the higher time frame at all. Even if it leaves all of this, you know, as an imbalance from our smart money guys, right? It still has to come up to at least this level for a continuation into the trend, at very least. Because it's just a lot of liquidity up here. So this is pure market structure. This is not even the algo. This is just pure market structure. If, you know, it continues to push down, that's scary. You know what I mean? But I just don't believe it will. Is there news I didn't know about? Oh yeah, it's NFP this week, yo. I keep forgetting. Yep. I mean, we're seeing the exhaustion. There's a lot of wicking. It's just like a lot of forcing up. Very valid argument. Very valid. You know, I didn't want to get caught up in a continuation because this is ridiculous. This is absolutely stupid. This is not a regular trend, man. This is somebody died, like someone in the Oval Office died type downtrend. So a continuation. Look at this nonsense. This don't even make sense as to where just from a structure point of view, don't even make sense. So I'd rather not trade than get caught, because it was more risky getting caught in that versus, I'm sorry, that's 0 point. What is this thing talking about? No, 0.3 is up there. 0.2, that's 0.7 area. So, you know, that's just scary. Yeah. Like, this is scary, bro. This is not okay. I'd rather miss the trade than feel like I'm about to get caught in something that doesn't make sense. You know what I mean? And I've seen the exhaustion where it's wicking and stuff like that, but it's also dropping like hell. So it's one of those things where listen to the algo, but at the same time, market structure is just telling me to chill. You can see here it's wicking. So I'm seeing the exhaustion around this zone right now. I'm seeing it. And I'm seeing the watch list over here. And news just dropped right now. So vamos a ver. Let me get into my new account. Let's see. Let me see. Yeah. I'll take this reverse any day. Because even right now, it still has to pull back. So this is my trading plan for the day. And let's see if I'm wilding or not. But other than that, guys, until we see, until we get what we want, talk to me. What's going on? How we feeling today? Anything you guys want to ask? Talk about? Yeah, I'm waiting on the reverse. Because I'm just not convinced. I'm not convinced that this pullback is done. But it seems to just want to drop, man. This is absolutely crazy to me. Because even on the 15-minute time frame, it's dropping. Hit TP1 in this sell. So if you guys took the sell, I didn't take the trade. It wasn't part of my trading plan. Oh, now you want to be red, you motherfuckers. Yep. Hit TP1 on that sell as it broke. I'm sure the bot sent it. How you been doing your research on CPNs? That my cousin is in town. That's all we've been building. He's asleep on the couch right now, and that's the course, the credit course, and everything. We're getting involved. Man. at that 0.23. It's coming down to that level again. If you took that sell, you took it for 50. What imbalance? Not from the top. It didn't play that at all. I mean, honestly, I could have. You can figure it, it bought during London, so it's selling during New York, but it's even. I mean, today's just one of those days where, for me, my trading criteria didn't meet up. At least not yet. It's still very early in the session. It only started 30 minutes ago. So when it'll be coming out? With the new company. The goal is around my birthday. Looks like it's selling today, man. I might not know what the fuck I'm talking about. But it's coming to this low now. It pretty much broke through this zone. Now it's coming over to see this. And now it's here. For basically another 100 points. So if you guys caught that sell from this morning, I mean, again, I didn't jump in the trade. I didn't trade so far. Yeah, the bot had you enter 12492. Yeah, the bot got you in over here on this signal. So it just hit TP2, right? So, I mean, if you guys took the signals, you made money. Unfortunately, today, I guess I pussied out and just didn't want to trade. But it didn't match up with the ideology I had in my head, so I didn't trade. So we shall see. But even now, it's not even pulling back, bro. Like, these are disgusting trends, and the trends look really nice. I'm just amazed on how this can happen, in all honesty. It totally goes against everything that I've ever learned when it comes to trading. The system works. The system works. Can't say that. System works. Well, I was definitely deboing. This is the only day I just didn't. I chose not to listen to the system, and I paid for it, but so basically, the bot is aiming to get you 200 points today. Easy. Yeah, no, I saw that. What was it? Forex Factory. It had to do with the consumer confidence and Jolt's job openings. That happened 15 minutes ago. So I feel like this was obviously, yeah, this is 6:55. This is definitely, that has to do with the news. So I mean, look, it still has to pull up a little bit. So we're gonna see if it's gonna continue, right? Because at least on this level of structure, it should pull up and correct itself and hit this daily close area and either continue or is going to do its usual New York session, reversal. But usually it would have done its reversal by now. Like, it hasn't even created no type of... What's blowing minds is that it just hasn't created structure at all. Like, it trended during London and just came straight down. Like, it didn't even create nothing. It just came. I see the little structure right here, but like very, very minor, man. And it just came straight. So I'm just amazed on how it's moving right now. Never have I ever. You feel me? Like, it's just amazing to watch. And this thing is getting you into signals. That's it. And I can admit when I'm wrong, but I'm just amazed at how this is working. Algo got you in. You took the signals, you made money. You know, tables here. But I just didn't, based on overall structure, I was like, oh, this is going to be easy imbalance. Even when it came down here, I was like, okay, this is just a stop out from this. Good thing I didn't get in. Then it just dropped, my nigga. I'm like, oh, okay, well, there's always tomorrow. And or post-lunch reversal. That's always a thing as well. So, and profit. Fantastic. That is great. If it hits TP3, then you guys made money, and I'm going to get off the charts because I feel like I'm going insane. You guys know what I'm saying, right? Like, I can't be the only one that's baffled. I'm literally, I don't know, maybe I woke up on the wrong side. I'm just baffled at this moment. For those that are in my Discord, have been looking to sign up for a little bit or whatever, major updates are coming. I spoke about it briefly on a previous call we had last week. You guys, we spoke about it. You guys know is what is to come, and there will be a grandfathering system for those that have been here since the beginning while we transition. And all I can really say is today's price is not yesterday's price. So, in the meantime, if you're part of the bundle or whatever, I suggest you, and you want to continue being part of the bundle, and the bundle is what it is. It will be 3 bots attached, 3 EAs, scalping, swing trading, and the Sigma, right? I have devs that specialize in MT5, making sure they're all being worked out. I actually have a meeting with the MT5 dev for the Sigma EA after this call to get that released for this week. But as I said, right, if you're looking to be here long term and what we have to offer and all those other things when the new company drops, and you want to be grandfathered in at the prices that we're in, then I suggest that you maintain your membership. And yeah, I mean, that's it. Because everything's automated. We've been running tests, everything's working. And we're just making things simpler and simpler and simpler. We're bringing in traders, we're bringing in new education, people to teach credit, people to teach real estate, people to teach life insurance, people to teach life insurance, estate planning, common law, how to remove things off your credit report using common law, how to sue the companies utilizing common law. You know what I'm saying? How to make money from debt collectors using common law. Like, I'm building the infrastructure in which this would be provided. So if you guys are excited for that, right, drop a 1 in the chat. And if you're here for the long run, drop a fire emoji in the chat. So yeah, a lot of the people that are hitting me up about access, you guys don't have active accounts. So just make sure that your account is up to date and is active before reaching out, because I'm gonna look up your email and then I'm gonna see that you don't have an active subscription, and that's all it is. So but on days that I am not live, the signals chats do very well. So let's look at today. Today the indices hit TP2. I'm seeing here, right, from today at 6:50 a.m. AUD/USD, GBP/USD sell entry. TP1 hit AUD/USD. Let's move to break even. Then we had a buy USD JPY and sell Euro USD. TP2 was hit on GU. TP2 was hit on AU. TP3 was hit on GBP. TP1 was hit on the buy on USD JPY. And we just got another sell entry. It must have hit break even on the GU. Oh no, GU hit TP3. So if you guys want to see it, so everyone knows I'm not lying. So this is the NY signal sessions. Hit all TPs here. Indices as well. Sell entry. TP1, TP2. Crypto did well over the weekend. We had BTC. We had Ethereum. TP1, TP2, TP3 has hit sell entry. And then we just also got an exit long because short signal appeared on BTC. I don't have the stock set up yet, and I don't have the commodity set up yet. So Forex indices and crypto have been killing. So, even when I'm away, the bot is doing what it's designed to do. Okay, Roseanne, send me your email and I'll make sure I'll get that straight away for you. I'll do it now. But yeah. You know what I mean? And these are just the small things. You get it? You guys are looking at a 200-point day. You took the sell and you caught it. Congratulations. Even the owner of the system didn't catch it today, because I just woke up with a predetermined evaluation of what the market will do. And we all know that you cannot do that. So you guys witnessed one of my mistakes happen live, and it's perfectly fine. You live with it, you move on. But if you guys took this sell, then congratulations. You guys are up 200 points for the day. About to hit TP6, technically speaking. And you guys are rich. How does it feel? No, Roseanne. Send me your email that you signed up with. I don't remember if you are lifetime or whatever. Just send me your email that you used to sign up initially, and then I will have to see what package you're under and then assign it and make sure I redo it. Drop a 1 in the chat if you made some money today. TP1 hit Euro USD. Just got that notification right here. Fantastic, fantastic. All right, so yeah, guys, there's a lot of cool stuff coming. All right, as of right now, you know, as you guys can tell, I have been doing the lives every day, and that's because, you know, these 2 chairs that are behind me are for team members, you know, helping me develop what's going on. So we're out here working, making this even better company than I was able to do on my own. I'm excited for it, and to provide as much education and for you guys as possible to move through life. You know, you make money from trading. You take that money from trading, you apply it to your personal credit. You learn how to clean your personal credit, dispute, make money from your personal credit, 800 credit score. You know, then you learn how to build a business on the EIN, learn how to build business credit. Now you take that, right? You remove the derogatories, whether it be child support, fucking bankruptcy, late payments, right? Then you step into the real estate, right? And while you're utilizing real estate, you're probably trying to learn life insurance and infinite banking. These are all concepts that I practice and study as well, right? And then you take all that information. I also have a whole nother section explaining other different side hustles that I may never have done, but I have seen, and then provide resources where you could do your own research and learn different side hustles to make income as well. Like, you know, it's all about making money different ways, and the fundamental skill of trading can provide funding. You know what I'm saying? It takes money to fix your credit. It takes money to do infinite banking. It takes money to get into real estate. And I started with trading, and trading expanded my horizons in terms of what I needed to do as a grown ass man. You feel me? Like, for things that I wanted. You make money from trading. Oh, I want to get an apartment now. Oh, my credit is shot. You know what I'm saying? So I have to fix my credit. Oh, I owe Money Moves Investments now. What is an EIN? You learn EIN, but I want to hire devs, build websites, do all this. I got to get business funding. So like having money and wanting to build on top of that money puts you in a position where you have to learn how to really use money and how money works. And that's all I've been studying. You guys know that I went into the whole common law thing, and you guys are watching everything real time if you've been here for a while. And I don't think there's anybody else, and at least in our niche, that's taking the time to teach that. You know, you definitely have your credit gurus that whatever, But they all specialize in that one thing. And I think that what I've noticed is I have a strong group of entrepreneurs. Everyone in here is trying to make money outside of trading, trying to make money or on their own business. I know that I've inspired some people to try to venture out and start their own groups, right? Whether they try to come back into mine and steal my members or not, you know what I mean? It always starts off that way. And then, it's a thing that I want to build on because I have a passion for teaching people and trying to put people in a better position because I wish I had someone like me around to do it. So, outside of that, I'm excited. Get it? But you guys just made 200 points today. We're almost at TP3. And I'll take another couple minutes just in case you guys have any questions or anything you want to talk to me about. I can answer, and then I'm going to get ready to re-release the MT5 EA or keep you updated if it needs another day or blah, blah, blah this morning as well. For the lifetime EA members or the lifetime bundle members, you guys are waiting patiently for the EA. So I'm gonna try to get that to you as soon as possible. We're 56 minutes into the live. I can stay on for another 5-10 minutes if you guys have any questions or anything you want to talk to me about. TP2 hit on USD JPY. Have you ever thought about doing a online banking for your students? What do you mean online banking? Like doing online banking accounts? Like having my own bank account system? It's funny you say that. It's really funny you say that. I'm working on that for the Dominican Republic. Payoneer. Yeah, I'm working on something like that. Really for the DR. To start with like crypto investing and stuff like that. But there's a lot that goes into it. You know what I'm saying? It's like, because at that point, there's different licenses, there's different things. Obviously, for the U.S., Dominican Republic doesn't really have that. But at that point, you're obtaining assets from people and you're holding it. So there's different licenses in place. There's different things that I have to get. It's almost like being a broker. You know what I mean? That's the reason why I haven't decided to come out with a broker. I don't like being liable for people's bread. I'll teach you how to flip it, make money on it, but that's it. TP. I am working on my own payment processor though. TP3 has been hit, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, you're millionaires. Drop a fire emoji in the chat if you hit TP3. But Roseanne, that's an interesting concept. Explain to me why. Paint the picture as to why I will make a online banking for my students. How would that make sense? Okay. Hey guys, this is absolutely ridiculous. If you didn't make money, it can't be my fault because I told you guys I'm not looking for sells, but the system said sell. So I was just looking for the reverse. So if you took the opportunity to take the sell and scalp, you're lit. This is bad. This is really bad. Like, this doesn't even make sense, bro. Like, that's why I'm mad about it. Like, it doesn't even make any type of sense structure-wise. Like, look at that. That's not even a healthy pullback. It's just a, I don't feel like it. SpongeBob voice. You feel me? I don't feel like it. Right? And now you're possibly looking at areas such as here and or here. And we're officially in a downtrend. They broke. You know what I mean? This shit broke here. Alright. This is the structure it was testing. Broke all this shit. Pulled back to this area and just dropped. TP1 hit. So TP3 hit on USD JPY. TP3 hit on AUD USD. TP1 hit on GBP USD, and you got a sell signal on Euro USD. And then obviously TP3 hit on NASDAQ. I'm looking at the daily. Ah, no, I see what's going on now. All right, now I see it. Okay, I get it now. This is mind baffling to me. I'm sorry, I had to make sense of this because it was literally bothering me. This didn't make any sense. And from a structural standpoint, I do believe it's still gonna come up here eventually. It was just too premeditated, I guess. I mean, I get that you could draw trend lines for days. I don't make a habit of drawing trend lines because that's not my style of trading. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, that was a fresh break. This is great. I'm looking at, traditional structure, and there was nothing traditional about this. I mean, I've always been very adaptable. I've always just listened to the algo, but when you see something like this is an easy indice setup, you know what I'm saying? It always comes back. This is at least from what I can remember, the first time I've seen something like this that it didn't correct when it had the chance. You know what I mean? I already knew yesterday was going to do this. We all knew yesterday was going to do this, right? But I was anticipating, or let's go up to here. Then it'll come back down and play around here, just like last week. You know what I mean? Because that's exactly what happened last week when I said it was going to buy up, right? It basically just played all the way until it hit that top. You know what I mean? And because of, was it a buy? No, it wasn't. whatever trade I called out last week. That's set up. I think I dropped it in the general chat. Let me look that up so I can quote myself properly. Yeah, I remember this one. So, yeah, that's all. I was just trying to make sense of it for me. I mean, you can, as long as you trail it. You know what I mean? You can definitely trail it and make money. Because the momentum's strong right now. You know what I mean? I decided to stay out the market today and take my L because it's one of those, like, if you jump in now, it's probably too late. You know what I mean? So I just didn't trade today. Which is okay. 9 a.m., 10 a.m., yes. All right, cool. Because Hakanashi is using the open, high, low, close 4 of price. So using Renko or Hakanashi, you're not able to do the replay because it requires current price action to generate those candles. Take this time, guys. Talk to me. Any questions? Anything you want to go over? Want me to clarify? Where is it going? Where is what going? What? Where you thing is headed. You must be driving or some shit. Where I think NASDAQ was going, I thought it was going to reverse. Then I didn't take into account as NFP. I didn't take into account any of. I thought it was going to cause a lot of wicking upon the opening. I was prepared for a lot of wicking. I was prepared for a lot of back and forth action. I was prepared for a at the least, at the most, rejection off that daily close. I wasn't expecting for it to continue without even making an attempt at a lower high. I thought it was going to autocorrect here, up top. And that's just based off what we've done live millions of times already. So I wasn't anticipating for it to make another trend line break here. I thought it was gonna pull up a little higher. That's all. This is going to the yearly open. Yeah, I thought the pull up was gonna be a little bit higher in this area, but was definitely wrong. And it's fine. The algo got this. The algo sniped that bitch. Pre-market snipe. Bam, bam, bam. Done. It was too easy. That I think that you know what, you just put it was too easy for me to believe the trade. Like, I was like, no, because it was just, there's no way. I really feel like I was getting duped, and I didn't want to be duped live. So I'd rather stay away, because I came to the market with a predetermined trading plan based on the analysis I had done Friday and the analysis I had done yesterday. So maybe that was limited as well. But I also made this system to tell me what to do. So it's one of those. Yeah, I mean, it's one of those, and I can admit that. I didn't trade today. You know what I mean? So I'm looking at all these profits that I'm missing out on, and I'm just like, Dallin, what did we learn? Like, so it happens. But for those that did make money on it, congratulations. That's what I built it for. You know what I mean? So, and shout out you, bro. That I like the 10 and I like the 7. I just like smoothing out price action, but now that I'm looking at it, using that daily VWAP tends to smooth out the price action as well. Especially if you're scalping, this can work very well. So, and get you into better entries. So. Yeah. So, all right. So that's a good question, David. To catch you guys up on that. All right. So, the EA. All right. We're on the same page. The EA. We're working on the EA, and the reason hasn't been released yet is now. We, I hired a specialized MT5, like he's an expert. You know what I mean? Me and Julio, we specialize in TradingView, and even though we may know a little bit of MQL, mostly Julio, he doesn't specialize in it. He doesn't create MT5 EAs. So we hired a guy that does, and he looked at it. He was like, okay, this is a good base structure. We're just going to, you can do this, 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 and this. So a few things, right? There's going to be a better trailing stop. There's going to be, he's going to add partials. So right now it's opening up 3 trades. This one's going to open up 1, take partials at TPs, right? So it doesn't eat up so much margin, blah, 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 blah. Also, excuse me, instead of all the separate indicators, like I said, the way that it worked is these are all custom indicators. They don't exist anywhere else. So we have to make custom ones. The Renko band that's on the MT5 is slightly different than what's calculated on TradingView. So what he's doing is he took the TradingView indicator and he basically converted it line by line to MT5. So essentially, you guys can delete those old indicators. You can delete them all. And now what I'm going to offer to the bundle is you're going to have the Sigma algo on MT5. So this system will be on MT5 and it'll be part of the bundle package. If you're not part of the bundle package, it won't come. If you're part of the regular one, you're just getting the TradingView one. If you want the MT5 one, that comes with the bundle. Okay, and the reason being is that it serves as an indicator, but it also serves as the information source that the EA is going to grab from. So that is the goal for how that's going. So after this call right now, I'm going to have a call with him, and he's going to update me, and then I will update everybody in the Discord. Does that answer your question, David? $250 points have been have been just murdered. Say 500 to 1,000, shit. More like 2,000. But yeah, did everyone follow me in terms of the EA update? Haven't seen anybody confirm. TP2 has been hit. All right, cool. All right, so gold hit TP1. Cool. I'm testing the gold signals. So if you guys see the gold, why don't we have gold signals? I'm letting them run and I'm back testing. So that way I can put them into the signals chat for you guys as well. But it performs pretty well, as you can see. If I go to gold, you know what I'm saying, TP1, TP1, and then I'm getting a lot of all the other gold. This is the sell signal. Sell signal. But yeah, I've been back testing the gold signals and making sure that they're up to par. So yeah, you guys are set up really well. Really well. Like, I don't know how I haven't had anyone actually complain that they're not making money here, so that's good. So yeah, any last questions before I jump off, guys? Going once, going twice. Everybody's good. Everyone have a blessed day. All right, hit me up in the Discord if you have any questions, concerns, troubleshooting issues, and I will handle it today. Okay? Love y'all. Holla at you later.